Can you see little old me off in the distance there? That's right, it is time for me to gather some boughs to deck the halls.
It's Christmas deco time. I have had a grand idea, which is probably bigger than what I can actually execute, but that's not going to stop me trying. I am outside with Dexter on what promises to be the last sunny day for several, possibly very rainy days. So off Dexter and I go into golden hour to get some greenery. Wish me luck. Okay, my friends, we are decorating the chateau for Christmas. Yes, it is that time of year again, and we do have people coming over, which we're very excited about. So we're going to put in a little extra effort this year, and I'm going to try to go bigger than I have before. I'm going to start with the dining room, and we will go from there. A friend of my mom's, and you know who you are, very, very kindly sent us some heirloom tablecloths. Now I've had a quick look at the package, but I haven't had them fully unfolded yet, and they're so beautiful, I think we might have to use them for Christmas. So first look with me. Oh, look, it's a little bed. So it lines a bread bowl, and you kind of fold this over and you can keep the nice, oh, look at the embroidery. How sweet. There's the matching, wow, there's so many. 10, 11, 12, oh my gosh, 12. Oh, and then there's the matching ones for the other set. Okay, so I'm assuming 12 and 12. And then this is the one that I think is so beautiful. So it's what they call Richelieu work, where it's open in between certain, basically they've opened up parts of the pattern, and it's detailed embroidery and the most lightest blue around the outline. It's so pretty. Oh, the quality of the material, you should feel the material. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that, oh, the material. It's so good. It's just so pretty, I just love it. I think I'll put it on my bed. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna give it a good press, of course, because I do, and put it back on the table, and I think it'll be beautiful underneath the rest of the place setting. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm really happy with how it came out, and I'm not sure I've gone big enough. I think we can go bigger. So I'm gonna move into the great room, which is bigger, and have a go in there. So tune in for the next video when we see how that comes out. Nah, just kidding. Now that night has fallen, I have decided it does need more, and I need to do more right now. So more is going to happen. Well, what do you think, everyone? I did more. Is it enough? That is the question. I still think I need to go bigger. So we'll keep practicing and keep going bigger, and stay tuned for the next time.